Look, welcome to Sugarcreek. This is a little Switzerland, Ohio. Did you know that, Lincoln? It's like the world's smallest covered bridge. Sure. All right, Lincoln, where are we at, buddy? The world's largest cuckoo clock, and it's getting ready to go off here in just a few moments. Yeah, let's stand over here. We are, Lincoln, so we're at the world's largest cuckoo clock.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
You gotta dance, Lincoln, dance. It's a wild show. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't wait more than a couple minutes. There they go. The bird, keep going back in? Does he always stay out? He always. Giant cuckoo clock.
How is it the largest clock tower?
It's just this. It's not clock tower. The largest cuckoo clock. That's
Tuesday and Wednesday of their office.
Oh no.
And Sunday as well.
What?
Only on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 11 to 5.
Oh, that's not going to be open this week. Come on. Come on. Probably overpriced. Hangar 81. Weird music, movies, more. Weird cheeks. All right. Yeah, this is Sugarcreek, Ohio, Amish country. Been to Amish country dozens of times. I don't think I've ever drove down here to Sugarcreek, which is only like another 10 minutes, 15 minutes down the road from like Berlin.
Hey guys.
What? Cuckoo clock over there.
What? I've seen a toy store, and it was like the words biggest like toy store in the world or something.
We'll look for it.